In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have pages side by side in Google Docs. This is really useful if you're working on a multi-page document and want to see more than one page at a time, almost like you would in a book or in a PDF viewer. It makes comparing sections easier, helps with layout, and can simply make editing more comfortable on larger screens. Let's start inside your Google Docs document. Go ahead and open the document you want to work with. Once it's open, look toward the top left area of the screen and find the View menu in the toolbar. Click on View to open the drop-down options. This is where Google Docs keeps most of its display and layout settings. In that View menu, you'll see an option called Print Layout. Make sure this option is turned on. If it isn't, click it once to enable it. Print Layout shows you your document with page breaks and margins, which is important for seeing pages clearly when they're placed side by side. Now that Print Layout is on, we'll adjust the zoom so you can actually fit multiple pages on the screen at the same time. Look toward the toolbar again and find the zoom control. It might say something like 100%, or you may see a small drop-down arrow next to a percentage number. Click on that to open the zoom settings. Here, you can choose a smaller percentage like 80%, 75%, or even 50%, depending on the size of your monitor and how many pages you want to see at once. As you lower the zoom level, your pages will shrink and more of them will fit horizontally on your screen. Scroll up or down a bit, and you'll start to see pages appearing next to each other instead of one long vertical scroll. If you're not seeing pages side by side yet, try making your browser window wider or going into full screen mode to give Google Docs more horizontal space. The wider your window, the more likely Docs will arrange the pages in multiple columns. Adjust the zoom until you find a balance where the text is still readable, but at least two pages are visible next to each other. Once you've found a layout you like, you can continue editing normally. You can type, highlight, and format text just as you usually do. The side-by-side view is simply a visual change. It doesn't affect the actual content or structure of your document. And that's all there is to it. By using Print Layout, adjusting the zoom, and widening your window, you can comfortably view your Google Docs pages side by side for easier reviewing and editing.